In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect GoDaddy domain to Vercel. Start by opening your Vercel dashboard and selecting the project you want to use. Go into the project settings, then open the domain section. In the field provided, enter your full domain, for example, your domain.com, and click Add. Vercel will display the DNS records you need to create at your domain registrar. Typically, you'll see an A record for the root domain and a name for the www version that points to a Vercel target. Keep this page open so you can copy the values exactly as shown. Next, log into your GoDaddy account. Open your profile menu, go to My Products, then find Domains and choose Manage All. From your list of domains, select the one you're connecting and open its DNS or DNS management page. You're now looking at the zone file where you'll add the records Vercel provided. Before adding anything, remove any existing A or C name records that would conflict with the new ones. Common examples are default parked A records or a pre-existing C name for www. Be careful not to delete email-related records like MX or verification records like TXT if you use them. Now add the new records exactly as Vercel showed. Create an A record with the name set to @ and the value set to the IP address provided by Vercel. You can leave TTL at its default unless you have a specific reason to change it. Then create a CNAME record with the name set to www and the value set to the Vercel target shown on the domains page. Again, keep the TTL default. Save your changes so they're applied to the zone. Return to your Vercel domain settings and click Refresh. Vercel will check the DNS and begin validating your configuration. Once it shows as valid, Vercel automatically provisions an SSL certificate for your domain, enabling secure HTTPS without any extra work from you. DNS propagation can take a little time. While many updates go through in minutes, it can take up to 48 hours for changes to reach every network worldwide. During that window, you might see the old site in some locations or on some devices. That's normal and will resolve as caches update. That's it. With the A record for the root and the C name for www in place, saved in GoDaddy, validated in Vercel, and DNS propagated, your custom domain will point to your Vercel project and load securely over HTTPS. If something doesn't validate, revisit the records and make sure names and values match exactly what Vercel provided, then refresh again.